y'all, I want to share two Google camera options that we use in our home. We've got this one here in our garage, and I really like the quality of the camera. Whenever I open up the app, I can clearly see anything in my home or wherever we have the cameras placed. So right now this one is currently in our garage. I'll go ahead and show you the one outside as well. So here we've got our outdoor Google camera. You'll notice that there's some lights on the side. So at night when there's some activity, it'll automatically light up, which I really like. My husband actually installed this one. Once you got that Wi-Fi connection, then you're able to get video footage from outside or inside, depending on wherever you have your cameras. Now here's some footage from the cameras themselves. As you can see, it's pretty high quality. I like that you're able to zoom in and out if there's something that you need to take a look at closer. You're also able to identify history points. So if there's some movement in the camera, you can go back through and see if someone has walked by the camera or if it was an animal or whatever kind of activity it may have picked up on. And then I also really like that depending on whether it is dark or light, the camera will adjust settings so you can still see everything pretty clear. Overall, I've been really happy with these cameras and I like having them around. Hope this helps you out.